Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use pie chart and donut chart in Excel. So let's start. Uh, if you want to use pie chart and donut charts, you have to take only two variables. Okay, here we can see product is one variable, that is different products are here, and January month's revenue. Okay, you cannot select multiple columns, multiple variables here. You can select only two variables, that is product and January. Okay, so I'm selecting products and January. I'm not selecting the total. So after selection, uh, I'm clicking on insert, recommended charts, all charts, pie. Here I can see different version of pie charts. Okay, this one, this is 3D version, this one is a little bit different, this one is different, so you can select any one of you like. This is donut chart. I will explain it after it. So let's select this one. Okay, so you can select it uh, like this, or I'm deleting this uh, from delete uh, button from my keyboard. This is selected, this data is selected, then from insert, here it is also given, so I can select this from here also. Now, sorry, uh, I can do some modifications here. Data labels, here you can uh, place this data label in center or inside end or outside end. When you move your mouse pointer in these options, you will see the respective changes, so you can select anyone. You can also use data callout. At this, if you use data callout, then the respective percentage of the products will be shown. Okay, that is, this is the total revenue, and what is soap's revenue percentage based on total. Okay, what is shampoo's revenue percentage based on the total. So this is how, if you want this, you can select data callout. And now, legend, if you unselect legend, it will be gone. If you select legend, you can see these are the legends. Previously it was given here, but now after selecting it from here, I can uh, select bottom. So bottom here, chart title, here I'm renaming the chart title, that is uh, revenue in revenue by products in January. Okay, we can also do the modification from design, add chart element. Here we can explore these options. Okay, legend, we can also explore these options. Okay, from this we can change the colors, we can change the chart styles. Okay, we can also change different formats. Okay, uh, here one thing, if you want to see, if you click on it, every portion will be selected. But if you are focusing on toothpaste revenue, then we will do some modifications here. Okay, so if you select just once, everything will be selected. Now I'm selecting toothpaste again, so that only this one is selected. I am dragging it from here to here. You can see it is moved from the its whole pie chart. Okay, so I can now I'm selecting it, and I will change the color. I can change the color. Okay, if I select this, every box will be selected. Now I will do modification only here, so I'm selecting this again. So this is selected. I'm making it bold, making it larger, changing the background a little bit. Okay, so this is how you can present your pie chart. Okay, here different styles are available, different colors are available. You can choose any one you like, anything you like. And here you can see all the products are selected. Okay, if you don't want shampoo, unselect it and apply. Shampoo will be gone, but I want shampoo, so I selected it again and apply. So it is back again. Names, we don't need this now. So this is how we can include a pie chart in Excel. Now I'm moving it. Okay, if I- if I- if you select this entire chart will be selected, but if you click here, then this box will be selected. And if you move this uh, by mistake, then after moving this, go one step back through this icon. Okay, so this is back again. Now I am selecting this whole thing and I am moving it here, because I want to, I will include a donut chart here. So donut chart also works with two variables. That is, here we will use products and January. Okay, uh, insert. After selecting the data, I'm selecting donut chart from here. So this here is our donut chart, and we can do the modification just similar to the modification that we did in uh, making pie chart. Okay, we can also, if you select, everything will be selected. If you select it again, only this portion will be selected. Then we can move it as we want. So this is how we can include pie charts and donut charts in Excel. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.